2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 4, and set C is equal to 2, 4, 5. State whether the following statements are true or false. So first part, A is subset of B. Can you see? A is subset of B. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 elements are there. And set B 2, 3, 4. So every element of A should be present in B. Then only A is subset of B. But you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 2, 3, 4 are present in B, 2, 3 and 4. But 1 and 5 are not present in set B, that's why answer is false. Part second. A is subset of C. Is A subset of C? False. Why? Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 are present in C, 2, 4 and 5. But 1 and 3 are not present in C. That's why it is false. Part third. B is subset of A. B is subset of A. Is it true or not? B is subset of A. You can see 2, 3, 4. Every element of B is present in A. 2, 3. So every element of B should be present in A. So B is subset of A. So answer is 2. Part 4. B is subset of C. Is B subset of C? You can see 2, 3 and 4. 3 is equal to 2, 4 and 5. 2 is present, 3 is not present, and 4 is present. But 3 is not present in set C. So every element of that B should be present in C. Then only the condition is true, otherwise it is false. Answer is what? False. Because 2 is present, 3 is not present, 4 is present. Part 5th. C is subset of A. C is subset of A. Can you see C? It is 2, 4, 5. It is present in A, 2, 4 and 5. That's why C is subset of A. That's why it is true. 6th part. C is subset of B. Can you see C? That is 2, 4, 5 and B is 2, 3, 4. 2 is present C. Every element of C should be present in B. Then only C is subset of B. 2 is present, 4 is present, but 5 is not present in B. That's why answer is false. 7th part. B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Can you see? B is equal to C. For set B and C, you can see B 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 4, 5. Number of elements, cardinal number of set B and cardinal number of set C are same. So these sets are equivalent but not equal. For sets to be equal, the element should be exactly same. But here 2 is there, but 3 is not there. 4 is there, here 2 is there, 4 is there, but 5 is not there. So exactly same elements are there in set B and C. Then only two sets are equal, otherwise it is not. So it is also false. Now 8th one. 8th one is 5 is subset of B. Is it true? 5 is subset of B. Can you tell me 5 is subset of B? Every empty set is a subset of every set. That's why the condition is true. Empty set is a subset of every set. Now, part 9. A is equivalent to B. Can you see A is equivalent to B? When A and B are equivalent? When the number of elements of A and the number of elements B are same. But you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. But in B only 1, 2, 3 elements are there. That's why this is not equivalent set. So answer is what? False. Now question number 10. B is equivalent to C. B is equivalent to C. What will you write? You can see in B 3 elements are present, C also 3 elements are present. So number of elements in B and number of elements in C are same. That's why they are equivalent. Answer is true. Now question number 11th. A is equivalent to C. Can you see A? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 elements are present and here only C, 1, 2, 3 elements are present. Cardinal number of set A and cardinal number of set C are not equal. That's why they are not equivalent. Answer is false. Thank you.